गुरु ब्रह्मा है, गुरु ही विष्णु है, गुरु ही देव महेश्वर है, गुरु साक्षात पर ब्रह्मा है। उन श्री गुरु जी को मेरा नमस्कार है। A very warm welcome to all of you. My name is Isha Mhatre and I will be your host for this event. People across India celebrate Teachers' Day on September 5. This day is dedicated to all the teachers, mentors and gurus who guide us to be a good human being and make us a better student. But are you all aware of the significance of this day? Teachers' Day is celebrated every year in the honor of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, second President of India, on his birth anniversary. Dr. Radhakrishnan is a staunch educationist, dedicated his life to education and youth of the country. He once said, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if September 5 is observed as Teachers' Day." So, in the year 1962, was born the tradition to observe Teachers' Day to honor his beliefs and teachers across the country. As the famous saying goes, those who educate children well have more to be honored than they who produce them, for these only gave them life, was the art of living well. A teacher will go the extra mile to ensure that his students have the necessary skill set to succeed in life. Especially during these trying times, teachers have been reaching out to their students through online education to make sure that the education of their students is not hampered. Teaching is a selfless profession. The students will be forever indebted and grateful to our teachers as they have given us the invaluable gift of knowledge. Hence, on this occasion of Teachers' Day, the NSS unit of ABACL would like to take this opportunity to express our gratitude for our teachers. We have organized a quiz about the teachers to show our love and respect for them. For the quiz, each question is a riddle that represents a teacher. There will be 4 options and you have to guess the teacher about whom the riddle is. So let's start with our first question. Who is the one who always reminds us to keep our head on our shoulders? Is it Anoop sir, Ragini ma'am, Vaishali ma'am, or Shruti ma'am? The time starts now. Yes, you're definitely right. It's none other than Vaishali Gurav ma'am, our beloved principal.
Principal ma'am. What to say about her? She is just a package of everything. She is smart, intelligent, wise, strict, but at the same time very kind-hearted. She considers every member of our college as a part of her family. Her behavior towards all staff members and students is very polite and humble. From small rooms to huge building, our college is reaching heights because of ma'am's efforts behind it. Our college is the body of which ma'am is the soul. She is a support system for every student of her. She motivates and encourages all students to participate in various activities and competitions. Also, NSS approval in our college would have not been possible without ma'am's efforts. In spite of reaching huge heights, she is still down to earth, involved in students and their well future. Every student of ABACL has called her mom instead of ma'am at least once in his entire course. Ma'am, our journey of ABACL would have not been so interesting, intellectual and exciting without you. Thank you for all your support and encouragement.
The second riddle is there are different types of categorical propositions in logic, such as A, E, I, O. The favorite one is me. Who do you think this riddle is about? Amni ma'am, Priyanka ma'am, Mohini ma'am, or Jyotsna ma'am? It is Jyotsna ma'am. Indeed ma'am, you are our favorite one.
Hello Gauri ma'am, I feel like there is no discourse around how great of a teacher you are. Your lectures are really fun to attend and you've made logic, what could have been a rather complex subject, really easy to understand for us. We also had the privilege of having you at the NSS camp last time, and I feel like it was a learning experience for all of us, not just with your enthusiasm to go on those long treks, and while most of us are just dying to catch our breaths at the back, but apart from that, any conversation that we've had with you, academics or otherwise, has been really thought-provoking, and we just hope to be a fraction of as wise as you are. And thank you for being really approachable and easy to talk to, and I wish you a very happy Teachers Day.
To the third question. This professor taught us the difference between the pronunciation of what people often say as bourbon, bourbon, bonbon. No, it is bourbon. The options are Aditya sir, Pooja ma'am, Mohini ma'am, or Vishal sir. You chose the first answer, then yes, you are right. It's Aditya Godbole sir.
Let's play a quick game of Guess Who. Hello, good morning. For your next activity, you have to prepare a speech on your most memorable moment. Is everyone here? Is everyone awake? Yes, you have absolutely guessed him right. He is the one who has made us clap for our classmates who have come late to the class, and he's the one who made us introduce ourselves in front of the entire class in his first lecture. He is our beloved Professor Aditya Godbole. Today, on the occasion of Teachers' Day, I just want to thank him for continuously motivating us and guiding us to sharpen our personalities, to make us more confident, and to help us become the best version of ourselves. Thank you so much, sir. We are truly blessed and we are very, very grateful to have you as our professor. You are somebody who has an absolutely stunning positivity. You always come in with a lot of good vibes. You always make everybody so comfortable and happy in the classroom environment. Thank you so much for everything that you've always done for us, all your creative activities and everything that you do for us. Thank you very much, sir.
For the fourth riddle, is the name of the professor who carries out a balancing act between culture and current political affairs. Is it Kamini ma'am, Neha ma'am, Ajay sir, or Ashish sir? And you all will agree that it's Neha ma'am. Political science with you ma'am is always fun.
Hello everyone, today I would like to greet and give special thanks to our beloved Neha Ashawlele, that she is such a multi-talented that besides being great political science teacher, she plays a huge role in all cultural events that without her it would never turn into successful and memorable. So she has a very amicable nature and she has encouraged us in every step to come ahead and show our talent.
Moving on to our next question. This professor is omniscient, whether it be family law, constitution, admin law, or labor law. And I bet you can't pronounce her name right. Your options are Priyanka ma'am, Pooja ma'am, Sushita ma'am, Ragi ma'am. And if I am pronouncing it right, then it's none other than Ragi ma'am.
Hello Prachi ma'am. On behalf of the entire college, I would like to wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. You have been such an inspiration for us in every step of life. You have never even shouted at us even when we act stupid. We are so blessed to have such an amazing teacher as you. We love you a lot. Even when we do not say it, we do.
The sixth riddle is about the professor who built the NSS kingdom of ABACL. Is it Aditya sir, Sagar sir, Zubin sir, or Vishal sir? I bet you won't guess this one wrong. And yes, it's Vishal sir.
As we hear the word NSS, the first thing that comes to our mind is Vishal sir. Vishal sir, being an excellent professor, is also the pioneer of the NSS unit of our college. Sir, you always inspire us to give our best. You always treated us like family and welcomed us, and always supported us no matter what. Sir, you always inspire us to give our best on day-to-day basis. Your energy and enthusiasm is contagious. Sir, thank you.
Here is the seventh question. The undisputed TT champ of our college. His lectures are filled with humor and funny games, ping pong fun, and full of learning. Who is this fun professor? Is it Sagar sir, Zubin sir, Ajay sir, or Aditya sir? No doubt he is the undisputed TT champ of our college. He is the one and only Zubin sir.
Zubin sir is the professor in charge for the sports committee. Last year I got to be a part of the sports committee and it was a wonderful experience. Sir was always open to everyone's ideas and made sure that everyone's opinions were taken into consideration. Sir has not taught my batch a law subject, but I'm sure he is a great teacher. I wish Zubin sir and all other professors a very happy Teachers' Day.
Next comes the eighth riddle. Man is a social animal, but his behavior decides whether he fits only the latter part of the term or does justice to the entire term. This professor taught us about society and how to play a better part in it. Is it Anoop sir, Sagar sir, Geeta ma'am, or Pooja ma'am? Also, I must say that it's because of teachers like her, man transforms into social animal. And yes, it's Geeta ma'am.
Geeta Joshi ma'am. Ma'am, you taught us about the most important aspect of human life, society. You taught us social principles and social norms, not only for the sake of academics, but also motivated us to adhere to them in our future. Ma'am, you made us understand the value of society and also helped us to develop the sense of belonging and responsibility towards it, for which we shall forever be grateful to you, ma'am. Thank you so much. We love you.
Moving on to the 9th question. After teaching, which professor asked you, Samjhana? Huh? Is it Sagar sir, Vishal sir, Priyanka ma'am or Jyotsna ma'am? Yes, you are definitely right. It's Sagar sir.
Professor Sagar Mahashabdi has completed his LLM and his specialization in administrative and constitutional law. So Sagar sir is teaching it for the first time, and he is a very cheerful person. He has a different level energy in morning lectures as well. So in second year we used to meet him in lift and we used to wish him good morning. So sir used to say, "अरे इतना धीरे क्यों बोल रहे हो? जोर से बोलो. नींद में हो क्या अभी तक? नाश्ता वाश्ता नहीं किया?" So he used to encourage us for our morning lectures. And
Let's have a look at our 10th riddle. Along with our subjects that we learned from her experience, we also learned the dedication a person can put in the field of law and how to juggle between nations while wearing a hat with 2 feathers. Is it Rushita ma'am, Neha ma'am, Mohini ma'am or Kamni ma'am? Bingo! It's Kamni ma'am.
Kamini ma'am taught us the most difficult subject. Everyone was so afraid of transfer of property law, but you made it so easy for us. You gave different kinds of examples so that we can understand what exactly transfer of property is. You shared your experiences with us so that we can understand what law means. Everyone was so comfortable with you that everyone loved to participate in your lecture. You are not only a guru but also a friend. Thank you for your endless patience and motivation. We are grateful to have you in our life.
Moving on to the 11th question. This professor taught us not only history of sports but also history of sports. Doesn't this sound interesting? Who is it? Mohini ma'am, Priyanka ma'am, Ajay sir or Jyotsna ma'am? The answer is he is none other than Ajay Jaiswal sir.
Ajay sir is an amazing teacher. All of his sessions are so interacting and engaging. Every student studying in his class is given equal attention. Ajay sir is an inspiration for all of us to follow. He inspires us to be better people and always strive to do our personal best. I was grateful to have him as my mentor and as my teacher. Ajay sir, you are an amazing, a wonderful teacher. Thank you.
Up next is the 12th riddle. It's about the one who encourages her students to have international recognition in the field of law. Practice family law. Is it Pooja ma'am, Rushita ma'am, Mohini ma'am or Kamni ma'am? International recognition sounds fun, isn't it? Yes, it's Rushita ma'am.
A teacher is a person who surrounds her students with inspiration to learn something new every day. Rushita ma'am is one of our teachers who inspires us to keep growing in our life. She has a unique style which helps us to understand the subjects easily. It takes a special person to teach in a class of students where it is very difficult to grab their attention in a world which moves so fast. She encourages us to practice in international forums and represent our country. She also tells us to dream big and be a better person in future. Ma'am, we are really lucky to have you in our lives.
On to our 13th question. Who is the professor having almost 365 fanciest ties? Who is this professor? Anoop sir, Ashish sir, Krishna sir, or Aditya sir? Yes, you're right. He is none other than Krishna Shetty sir.
Dr. Krishna Shetty sir, as soon as you enter the classroom, your good morning bachas bring a next level liveliness to our sleepy minds. Sitting across the table, you provide us with all the real life courtroom experiences, interesting cases, mantras to remember, sections and definitions and whatnot. You cut the frill and enlighten heavy subjects like contracts and IPC in such a captivating manner that one could never forget them. You are a fireball, a powerhouse. You are simply amazing, sir. We love you and your quirky collection of ties. We are blessed and grateful to have a guru, a guide, and a fatherly figure like you in our life.
Riddle goes by a saying, expressing through gestures is an essential component of captivating audience, and this professor has mastered the art. Is it Ashish sir, Anoop sir, Ragni ma'am, or Pooja ma'am? It is Anoop sir. His gestures are really captivating.
This message is for Advocate Anoop Mehta. He teaches us law of tort subject. He always start his lecture by giving example and divide the class into two, opposition and favor counsel, and try to create a practical courtroom drama in the class, which is very essential in our field. And once I always remember his one saying that there are many lawyers in the market. What make you unique is your confidence and your speaking skills, which I remember thoroughly in my life. I learn a lot from him, and hope we will learn a lot from him in future. We all love you and respect you. And one more thing, his hairstyle is so unique. Bye bye.
And here comes our 15th question. The professor who worked hard to defend the hard labor of others, who is a winner, not just for us, but the entire country. Who is this professor? Neha ma'am, Zubin sir, Sagar sir, or Pooja ma'am? She is indeed the winner for the entire country. And she is none other than Pooja Patil ma'am.
Hello, Professor Pooja Patil. What not can I say about you? You resemble the word patience. Every time you enter the class with an energy and an uplifting aura, you are such an amazing human being. The interactive sessions which you take with positive attitude and enthusiasm amazes us. The different case laws which we come across through you gives us immense knowledge and enlightenment. You are building blocks of our lives. It is said that a teacher is a compass that activates the magnet of curiosity, knowledge, and wisdom in pupil. Thank you for being an indispensable part of our life.
Next is the 16th riddle. Chocolate is happiness that you can eat. This quote reminds you of which professor? Is it Priyanka ma'am, Ashish sir, Mohini ma'am, or Jyotsna ma'am? Quite a tasty riddle, isn't it? Yes, it's none other than Ashish sir.
Ashish Pavaskar sir, you are the one who always enters the class with a bright smile on the face. The one who is always ready to clear our doubts in studies at any time of the day. Not only that, Pavaskar sir always rewards us with chocolates at the end of the lectures. Thank you so much sir for your guidance. Happy Teachers Day, we are truly lucky to have you.
And now comes our 17th question. This professor seems strict but is very helpful and has a humorous tone which reminds you of a city asking for a high court bench and has practiced there as well. Who is it? Kamini ma'am, Vishal sir, Priyanka ma'am, or Aditya sir? You are absolutely correct. It's Priyanka ma'am.
I would like to thank Priyanka Patil madam for enlightening us with the subject of family law as well as various laws related to women and children. Your experiences and life examples have always been supportive for us to understand the concepts well. You have been cooperative, helpful in guiding us throughout the moot court competitions and also participating as a judge in mock trials. You are an inspiration for all of us. We are very much fortunate to have a dynamic professor like you. Happy Teachers Day, madam.
The 18th riddle is about the professor who uses class tests to test our understanding of the topics and also use it as a tool to make us study. Is it Pragni ma'am, Sagar sir, Ajay sir, or Shruti ma'am? Bingo! It's Shruti ma'am.
Dear Shruti, as the teacher noun itself indicates that thoughtful, encouraging, amazing, caring, hardworking, enthusiastic, and resourceful. You describe all of these characteristics in your teaching skills. The major part of your teaching is real life examples. You give us real life examples which make it much easier to understand critical concepts. Along with that, you conduct regular tests which make us prepared well in advance for the university exams. You do your best to make class fun and exciting. We have learned so much from you. Thank you for making a better student. Happy Teachers Day.
up, we have our last question. Last but not the least. How much ever vicariously liable professors are in our development, no student can pay off the debt of your given knowledge. It is only due to this selfless contract and our partnership that we are able to achieve our goals. Is it Kamini ma'am, Ragini ma'am, Mohini ma'am, or Zubin sir? And yes, she is Mohini Gupte ma'am.
Dear Mohini ma'am, you are one of the sweetest teachers we came across in this semester with whom we connected so easily and in a very short duration of time. No matter how many questions we had, no matter how many times we wanted you to repeat the same thing, you have been nothing but patient with us. And I think because of this quality of yours, the students can easily reach out to you without any hesitation.
To sum up, thank you for the energy you put into work that found its way into our brains somehow, someway. It was sometimes easy, but when it was hard, you rarely allowed it to be visible to the world. Hearts of gratitude are scattered all over in honor of you. Thank you for being such great teachers. Thank you.